In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Stripe with ClickFunnels using Zapier. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring that you can seamlessly connect your payment processing and sales funnel platforms to enhance your business operations. Let's get started. First, we're going to dive into the world of Zapier. If you're not already familiar with it, Zapier is a fantastic tool that allows different applications to work together by automating tasks. To kick things off, you'll need to log into your Zapier account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the dashboard and find the option that says Create Zap. Go ahead and click on that to begin the integration process. Next up, the initial step in our integration journey is setting Stripe as your trigger. Essentially, what we want Stripe to do here is to initiate an action in ClickFunnels whenever something specific happens. In the Zapier interface, search for and choose Stripe as the trigger app. Then you'll be presented with a few trigger options like New Customer, Successful Payment, New Charge, or New Subscription. Decide which event you want to focus on as your trigger and select it. After choosing, you'll need to connect your Stripe account to Zapier, following any authentication steps provided. Once your account is connected, it's crucial to test the trigger to make sure everything is functioning correctly. Now we're moving to the next phase, which is setting ClickFunnels as the action. In Zapier, search for and select ClickFunnels as the action app. Here you'll decide what you want ClickFunnels to do once Stripe triggers the event, whether you want to create contact, add contact to funnel, or create update contact. Make your selection based on your specific needs. It's now time to connect your ClickFunnels account to Zapier, much like we did with Stripe. Once connected, we move on to mapping fields. This involves aligning the data from Stripe, such as the customer's name, email, and phone number, to the appropriate fields in ClickFunnels. This ensures that the right information gets to where it needs to go, allowing for seamless customer interaction and data management. Make sure to test this action too, to verify that everything connects as intended. Finally, the last step is where we ensure that our work comes to fruition. Carefully review your entire Zap setup from start to finish. Double-check that all fields are mapped correctly and the triggers and actions are associated accurately. Once you're confident everything looks good, go ahead and turn on the Zap. By doing this, you're activating the automation, effectively integrating Stripe with ClickFunnels through Zapier. Congratulations, you've just streamlined a vital part of your business processes, allowing for more efficiency and focus on what truly matters, growing your business. That's all for today's tutorial, and thank you for joining me on this integration journey.